Hey there, my name is Cami. I'm the middle school coordinator here at Millington Baptist Church. Just reaching out to you because Doc asked me to talk to you about volunteer encouragement through NextGen. Just want to talk about what's behind me here. So we have photos and then some notes, some handwritten notes. These are written specifically by students. It's an activity that I do every year at the end of the year to celebrate kind of our closing. I challenge the students about 2 weeks prior to go ahead and write these handwritten notes to each of their leaders. Ones that made impacts on them, ones that made them laugh, any moment that they can think of. And so we asked them to sit down and really take the time to do that. There's a couple of reasons. Number one, receiving a handwritten note is just special. Learned this way back in one of my youth min classes. Handwritten notes have more value than just an email. Second, the student really calls out some of the characteristics that the leader may not even know about themselves. Third, it's just fun to get encouragement. And so I want to make sure our leaders feel that they're getting encouragement not only from Johnny and myself on staff, but also from the students that they work with each week. So what you see here are just some photos throughout the year and then some different notes that I've received as an example. So you can build yours however you want to build it. It can be from parents, it can be from students and parents, it can be from leaders to other leaders. But I really encourage doing the photos and the notes together because then they can kind of remember the different moments associated with the photos as they're reading these notes. The idea is just to spark a little bit of joy and spark a little bit of happiness and encouragement as the leader gets to see these. I love every year just seeing how encouraged our students do it, and a lot of times I have to make extra clothesline every year in order for it to fit all the notes and photos that we have. My favorite moment is having the leaders see their faces as they walk in and just seeing all the notes. And so I challenge you guys to go ahead and do this for your groups, and if you have any other questions, you can reach out to me. Thanks.